Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Learning World. So in previous lecture I have already explained you the concept of DBMS, that what is data, what is database, what is DBMS and some various keys. We have already discussed in previous lecture. Now moving on towards the next topic, that is information. So basically information is a process of meaningful or processed data. That is called information. So now why we are saying information is a processed data? Because when we process the data, or we can say the data is processed and output come, so that output is your information. Whenever you are giving any input and after processing, when the result come out, when the output comes from those input, so that output is your information. We can also say that information is more meaningful than data and also used for decision making. If we are saying information is more meaningful than data, this I'll explain you further, and also used for decision making. So whenever the output comes after processing, so those output, the basis of that output you can easily make your decisions. So next up we have differentiate between data and information. Now what is the basic difference between data and information? In data, it consists of unprocessed data. So why we are saying data is a unprocessed data? Because the data which is not processed or raw, which is not an information, that is your data, right? Next we have information. Information is a process form of data. So why we are saying this, I have already explained you that why we are saying it's processed data, because in information processing, after processing the data, when the output comes, so the result that comes from those output, from those data, that is your information, right? Next is data is used as input in computer. This also I have already told you that in data we gives the input in computer, so that the computer will give the input, that is your data. So on the other hand, information is the output of computer. Why we are saying information is the output of computer? Because so that after processing the data, the output or the result that comes from those data, that is your information, right? Similarly, data is not meaningful, whereas information is meaningful. So why we are saying data is not meaningful? Because we cannot understand that what information data is providing and what meaning data is showing, right? But in information, it says that information is a meaningful because information gives an output that we are able to know that what data it is and what data is defining and what it relates. So all information we are getting from that output, and due to that you are making various decisions. So that's why we are saying information is meaningful. Next up we have data is huge in its volume, whereas information is short in its volume. So why we are saying data is huge? Because you can store large amount of data, huge amount of data in DBMS, but you can't store, information. You can only store limited information in database. You can't store huge amount of information or files or folders in DBMS. That's why we are saying information is a short in its volume. Let me explain you the difference between data and information with the help of example. For example, I am having an exam of a particular subject, like for example I am having exam of English, right? So what I will do, I don't know what topics are coming in this subject, so I will directly search the topics on YouTube. What I will do, I will write the topics, I will search the topic on YouTube. So when you are searching the topic, so that is your data. Or you can say you are searching the videos. So that video is your data, right? On the other hand, right after getting the data, after getting your videos, what I will do, I will understand the topic, I will learn from those topics. So the information that you are grabbing, the knowledge that you are grabbing from those videos, that is your information, right? So this is the basic difference between data and information, that the videos that you are searching that is your information, that is your data, and the knowledge that you're grabbing from those videos, that is your information. I think it's very clear with this example, with the help of this example. So that's all for today, and in next lecture we will cover the other topics. See you in the next video.